Staterooms are pretty compact, and let's face it, when we cruise, we bring a ton of things with us. Now add in your family members or friends who will be staying in your stateroom, and it can feel even smaller. Keeping your stateroom organized will help cut back on frustrations and help you keep your sanity. Hi, we're Amanda and Justin with Barretto's on the Loose, and in this video, we're going to share with you all of our favorite organizational hacks. Whether it's your first cruise or you've cruised a handful of times, you may learn something new. So stay right where you are, and if you haven't already, please click that subscribe button. First things first, unpack. Put your clothes in the drawers and hang your clothes in the closet. And utilize all of the cabinet space and drawer space. Our next organizational hack are packing cubes, compression and non-compression. Our family each has their own set with 4 different sizes and in their own color. We separate our socks, our shirts, our underwear, our pants, and whatever little things that can get organized. And if you don't even want to unpack, just throw it in the closet and you're already organized. So with compression cubes, you load up your items in this pocket and then you zip it up. And then you have this second zipper, which helps this compression cube compress down. So these packing cubes help you pack so much more in addition to just being able to stay more organized. See, small.
There's a ton of space underneath the bed. That's where you can keep your empty suitcases, or if you don't want to unpack, you can keep them open and store your clothes down there.
Get yourself a clear organizer. This one right here has 24 compartments. That's 24 different items that we can store in there off the floor, so there's no clutter, and it just helps us stay so organized. That leads me to magnetic hooks. A&J fun fact for you, the walls and ceiling on your ship are metal. We put magnetic hooks all around our stateroom, and we hang up jackets, lanyards, hats, and of course our over-the-door organizer. Anything you can hang and get off the floor is already a huge organizational hack. The wall outlets in your stateroom are limited. There's a 110 volt and a 220 volt, so get yourself a power strip with an extension cord and without surge protector so that you can plug in your phone charger, laptop charger, all of your chargers. This one right here has a USB, USB-C, and additional power plugs so we can keep all of our things charging at once. We travel with a ton of different cords, so we love these little Velcro straps which keep the cords nice and organized and not flowing everywhere. Utilize the counter space on your vanity, and if your stateroom has shelves, definitely use those shelves. Utilize the space under the couch as well. We use this to store shoes. So where do all our dirty clothes go? We like to bring along our collapsible hamper, and this is where we store all of our dirty clothes day after day. Then at least one time during our cruise, we'll do laundry. Having a collapsible hamper makes it so easy to just store out of the way when not in use and to travel with.
If you don't want to keep all your dirty clothes in a hamper and in your closet with all your clean clothes, you can always keep them in your suitcase. You leave your suitcase open, put all your dirty laundry in here, and then slide it underneath the bed. Boom, baby!
Feel free to rearrange some of the smaller furniture so there's more walking space. On our last ship, we moved the coffee table underneath the vanity and the vanity stool off to the side, so there was way more walking space. Because this ship is a little older, the coffee tables are quite big and a little outdated, so they actually don't fit under the vanity, but in the newer ships, you'll have the smaller square tables which do fit underneath. It's helpful to have something like a beach bag or a backpack that you can always keep packed for your pool items. So this one specifically has our sunglasses, sunscreen, our towel bands, and waterproof phone case. So we keep these items in here at all times, and it's hung up off to the side so that we're ready to go to the pool. We just grab it and go. We will not vacation without our toiletry bag. This one we love because it has a hook to hang out of the way, and it has multiple compartments to keep ourselves organized. Another little special gadget that this toiletry bag has is this zipper pocket back here. So if you have your little carry-on, you just put it on the little handle and it's nice and organized. Use the shelves in the bathroom to unpack your toiletries, makeup, and hair appliances.
So the nice thing about these bathrooms is they all come with a clothesline. So you... what the hell is going on here? So the nice thing about these bathrooms is they all come with a clothesline. You pull it and hook it onto the other side. It allows you to hang up your wet clothes like your bathing suits.
We hope we gave you some valuable ideas on how to keep yourself organized during your cruise. If you enjoyed our video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below letting us know what organizational hacks you plan on using or already use. And if there's something that you do to keep yourself organized that we didn't mention, please let us know as well. Now, we also have a video with our favorite cruise gadgets linked above, so make sure you check it out. And we also link these awesome gadgets down below, so check them out as well. Thank you for watching and happy cruising.